नमस्ते, सुप्रभातं, सर्वेभ्यो नमो नमः। अद्य वयम् उच्चारणस्थानानि इति विषये पठामः। Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about pronunciation place, which is there grade 6th CBSE NCERT Sanskrit book from chapter number 1 Varnamala Pathamah. So this lesson is there in Yogyata Vistar part. So why we should learn this chapter? Why? Because this chapter will help you for grade 6 standard, 7th standard as well as 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard. This is the basic chapter. We need to know Uchcharana Sthanani, letters pronunciation place. We know very well in the Sanskrit Varnamala there are 48 letters. So that 48 letters comes from which part, that today we will discuss. Scientifically it is proved. In Ashtadhyayi, Panini wrote in their book Ashtadhyayi उच्चारणस्थानानि विषय नाम वर्णानाम् उच्चारणस्थानानि। वस्तुतः वयं जानीमः वर्णाः मुखात् एव आगच्छति, परन्तु मुखे कतिपय अङ्गानि वर्तते, तद्विषयमपि जानीमः। Usually we know all the letters or words are coming from our mouth, but in the mouth many organs are there like lips, teeth, tongue, throat. So like that organs are there. So when the air is coming, so which body part is more participating to pronounce that letter? So according to that, the letters name called so and so place wise. Like suppose the voice is the air is mostly touched to the throat, so kanthya varna or throat letter. So vastutah षड उच्चारणस्थानानि वर्तते. देर आर 6 प्रोनाउंसिएशन प्लेस लाइक कंठः, तालुः, मूर्धा, दन्तः, ओष्ठः, नासिका. सो एतानि षड उच्चारणस्थानानि वर्तते. सो लाइक थ्रोट, पैलेटल, हेड, टीथ, नोज. सो नाउ we are going to discuss which letter comes from which part. So first of all there is a sutra अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कंठाः, अर्थात अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कंठाः. अ नाम अ एंड आ, क वर्ग, क ख ग घ ङ ह लेटर एवं विसर्गः, एतानि अक्षराणि कंठात् आगच्छति. अर्थात एतानि अक्षराणि वयं कंठ्यवर्ण इति उच्यते. So from the throat few letters are coming. Which letters are coming from throat, that we will discuss now. A and A, ka varga अर्थात ka kha ga gha ng ha and visarga. So those letters are coming from throat. So we called throat letter. akuha visarjaniyanam kantha. तदनन्तरं तालुः, तालुः नाम पैलेटल. So श्रोत्रम वर्तते इचु यसानां तालुः, इचु यसानां तालुः अर्थात ई च छ ज झ न्य य एंड श तालव्य वर्णाः. इट मीन्स ई च छ ज झ न्य य एंड श comes from palatal. So we called as palatal letters. So those letters are coming from palatal. ई च छ ज झ य and sh. Now we'll discuss मूर्धन्य वर्णाः. So सूत्रं वर्तते ऋटुलसानां मूर्धाः, ऋटुलसानां मूर्धाः अर्थात रु रु ट ठ ड ढ ण र and श, एतानि अक्षराणि मूर्धातः आगच्छति. मूर्धा नाम हेड, that means upper part of the tongue we called head. So ru ru ta tha da dha na ra and sa comes from head. So मूर्धन्य वर्णाः इति उच्यते. तदनन्तरम after that we will discuss dantaः. ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः, ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः अर्थात लृ त थ द ध न ल and sh comes from teeth. So etani dantyavarnani uchyate. So those later it means lru ta tha da dha na la sa. So those letters are coming from teeth. So now in this page we discuss about kanthyavarnaha, talabhyavarnaha, murdhanyavarnaha, dantyavarnaha. Already we discussed about the throat letter, palatal letter, head letter, teeth letter. Once again we will repeat. A, A, K, Kh, G, Gh, Ng, H and Visarga comes from throat. E, Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Nya, Ya and Sha comes from palatal. Ru, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Ra and Sha comes from Murdha. It means head. Lru, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, La, Sa comes from Dantah अर्थात teeth. So these those letter we called teeth letter. So एवं प्रकारेण उच्चारण स्थानानि विषये वयं पठितं. So like that we discuss about उच्चारण स्थानानि. So अर्थात यदा उदरात् वायुः आगच्छति यस्मिन् स्थाने तस्य अधिकं स्पर्शं भवति तद आधारीकृत्य वर्णानाम् उच्चारण स्थानानि इति उच्यते. So when the breath is coming and which place is participating more, according to that place we are telling the ucharana sthanani, we are telling the pronunciation place. So varnocharana sthanani अवश्यम अस्माभिः ज्ञातव्यम. Definitely we need to know about the pronunciation place. It will help us for knowing the grammar. Okay dear. Now उच्चारण स्थानानि इदानीं वयं पश्यामः. ओष्ठौ. So उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ, उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ. उपपद्मानीय नाम उ प फ ब भ म comes from lips. So u pa fa va bha ma comes from lips. We called oshtyavarnaha, lips letter. Next we will go for nasika. Nyamonananam nasika. Nyamonananam nasika means nga, nya, na, na, ma and anuswara. So those letter, that means each varga's fifth letter as well as the anuswara comes from nose. So just we close our nose and we are trying to pronounce this letter, we can't able to pronounce. Example I will tell you. See, just now I close my nose and I am going to pronounce this letter. You might observe it is not possible to pronounce like ma ma. So that like that sound is coming. So proper voice is not coming. So from here scientifically we proved, scientifically I proved that the letters are coming from the so and so body part. Now we'll go for discussing kanthatalu. Kanthatalu means throat and palatal. So which letters are throat and palatal? A and I. How A and I is throat and palatal? Why? Because A comes from throat, E comes from palatal. So both A and and E, when the combine, then only A letter came. So A and I, so both letters are coming from both throat and palatal. Similarly, we will going to discuss about kanthostam. Kanthostam means lips, throat and lips. Throat and lips. Suppose we will think about A is coming from throat, U is coming from lips. So both the throat and A plus U, O. So O and O comes from throat and lips. After that, vakara, va. So va letter comes from dantoshta. Dantoshta nama danta and oshta. It means both teeth and lips. Again, two letters are there like ka and kha. Ka and kha comes from jihva moolam. Jihva moolam nama root of the tongue or corner of the tongue. So those letters are coming from corner and tongue. एवं प्रकारेण वयम् उच्चारणस्थानानि विषये किञ्चित् पठितम्. तर्हि पुनरेकवारं वयम् उच्चारणस्थानानां श्लोकं वयं गास्यामः. अवधानेन शृण्वन्तु. Once again I will recite the उच्चारणस्थानानि श्लोकास्. Listen carefully. अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयसानां तालुः ऋटुलसानां मूर्धाः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यमोणनानां नासिका एदन्तौ कण्ठतालु ओदन्तौ कण्ठस्थं वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठं कफ च जिह्वामूलम्. एवं प्रकारेण संस्कृते प्रसिद्धं श्लोकम् अस्ति. तत् श्लोकम् आधारीकृत्य वयम् उच्चारणस्थानानां विषये किञ्चित् अधिगतं. सो छात्राः उच्चारणस्थानानि विषय अवश्यमेव अस्माभिः पठनीयम्. इदानीं 119 कोड् 9th स्टाण्डर्ड् मध्ये उच्चारणस्थानानि विषये अपि उल्लिखितः अस्ति. परीक्षायाम् आगच्छति. सो ग्रेड 9th स्टाण्डर्ड् code 119 the question also coming ucharanasthanani, and grade 6 CBSE NCERT book the exam they are asking ucharanasthanani chapter. Grade 7 also they are asking ucharanasthanani chapter. So for getting good mark in this chapter, this will help you properly. So Jai Jagannath. संस्कृतमातरं जयतु संस्कृतं जयतु भारतम्. धन्यवादः. भवतां दिनं शुभमस्तु. शुभं भूयात् शुभं भूयात्.